What's going on, everybody? This is a live trade video where I'm gonna try to show you guys how I got into my trades and how I got out. So, and by the way, this is a voiceover because there's a lot going on at my house right now, so I'm not trying to let you guys hear in the background what's going on. So, for now, I'm just doing the voiceover. All right. So, in this trade, I got into borrowing at I got into borrowing at 180 and 80 cents for 20 shares, and I ended up selling this trade for only $2 profit because I felt like it was taking too long for it to break that previous level 181. So I ended up taking like a $2 profit when I was up over $10 on that trade. So this is how much I'm up right now. And by the way, this is the time and sell. The green is people that's buying, and the red is people that's selling on the bid. Okay, and the white is people that's buying in between the bid and the ask, or selling. Okay, so I got out of that trade, and he ended up going down actually. And I gotta tell you guys, my next trade on this stock was very, very frustrating because it would not follow the market. Boring was not following the market at all. And the S&P SPY, every time I'm trading like big cap stock, I always have like SPY on the next window so I can see how the market is moving. I got in again for 20 shares at, I'll show you guys. The reason why I got into that trade is because I saw SPY was trending up. So I'm expecting SPY to break that pre-market high. So I'm hoping that if SPY break that pre-market high, Boeing will follow and continue to go higher. Up $12, 13, 14. I throw an order out there to sell at 181.71. I don't know why my order didn't get filled. It went up to 75. It just not got filled. That was crazy. And by the way, the reason why I sold and get out of that position is because I felt like SPY was hesitating to break that pre-market high. It break it, but it wasn't by much. I was expecting like a big break. But let's go to the next trade. All right, so on that trade, it was the most frustrating trade ever because SPY was going up and Boring was not following the market at all. So I got into this trade at, I think it was like 250 with 20 shares, and I ended up buying 10 more shares to average down. Let me push it a little bit so you guys can see. Alright, so okay, so I ended up getting in at 182.37 for 20 shares. Now I'm down $22, 24. I'm gonna pause it here so you guys can have to wait like this video is over 20 minutes, so I'm gonna push it to the next trade. All right, so I'm still in the trade. I'm not selling yet because the S&P is still trending high. It's not below the VWAP or anything, so I'm still on the boring trade. I'm not selling yet. I should have sold, but I'm still in because the S&P is trending up and I'm expecting boring to follow, so I'm not cutting my losses yet. I'm still in. So right now I'm gonna add 10 more shares to bring my average down. This is me adjusting my order right now. Now I have 30 shares with an average of 181.74 cents, and I'm down $43 right now. And this is why I said this trade was very frustrating, because the market was moving up, but boring was not following the market at all. And actually, this was a good trade because at the end of the day, Boeing ended up going to a high of 195. I ended up selling way too early. I'm gonna pause it here. Okay, we're back again, and Boeing still not following the S&P. It's doing its own thing. I'll pause again. I got to a point on this trade where I could have just take a small profit, like a $5 or $4 profit, and move on to another trade, but I stay in because I know that at some point SPY was going to follow the S&P. By the way, this is the same stock, it's just a different time frame. This is the 1 minute charts. So each bar move to a different bar in every 1 minute. And then on this one, this is the 5 minutes. So this move every 5 minutes. All right, this is just madness. So down 49.60, still not selling, just 2 points. Just down 2 points. So, all right, guys. So I ended up leaving that trade with a profit of $36.30, and Boeing ended up going to a high of 95.30. Also way too early. So that is all for this trade, guys, and I made $71.30 on that day on this just small account. So that is all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.